So it's after 7 and the iPad's still on, and you feel that yell coming up and bursting, ready to come out of you. But watch what I do instead. I go to leadwithoutyelling.com. I scroll down here to my common situations. I hit screen transition. It builds my game plan and gives me exactly what I need. What to say next, your 10-second script. You know the rule, hand it over. And if they argue, if they push back, it gives you what to say in that moment as well. And if you want something longer, you get a little something longer depending on what you need. And then it gives you what most of us struggle with, that fair consequence in the moment. It's going to give you three options, depending on if it's the first time, second time, third time, right? You get to choose which which consequence you want. And if you like it, you can save it as your family standard and you can start building your family standard guide. And then next time it happens, you don't have to start over because you have it right there. Once you save it, it's yours to use forever, right? And even if you want, you've got the option to come up here and print it. You can print this out, have it in front of you, put it on the refrigerator. You've got your standards. You can run it again. You can share it with your parents or the other people in your life so everyone knows what the standards are, right? Because you don't have to be that angry mom. You can choose to be the steady one. You can choose to be the one that you want to be, right? In the moment, you can make that choice now when you're not in the moment and you know what to say. So go to leadwithoutyelling.com, get your 7-day trial, and get started being that mom that you know you want to be.